So today we'll discuss one of the question from JEE Main 2023, and that is the question from your sequence and series. Hello everyone, I am Pradeep Kumar, Mathematics faculty at Toppers Academy. So today we'll discuss one of the question from JEE Main 2023, and that is the question from your sequence and series. Okay, so question says, if the sum and product of four positive consecutive terms of geometric progressions are 126 and 1296 respectively, okay, sum is 126, product is 1296, then find the sum of common ratios of all such GPs. Yes, so how can we find it? So first of all, sir, we have four terms, okay, and all are what? All are positive. So we can assume our terms as, let four positive terms are A, AR, AR square and AR cube, okay, where A is what? A is positive and R is what? R is also positive. R cannot be negative. Yes, so A is positive and R is greater than 0. Next is, sir, we are given with the sum is 126, so it means now according to the given data we have what? A plus AR square plus AR cube is equal to what? 126, and we know the product A into AR square into AR cube is equal to 1296. Okay, 1296. So that is what? That is A power 4. From here, if you simplify it, you can say A power 4 R power what? 6. Yes, is equal to 1296. Got it? That is what? That is 1296. So sir, from here we can say this can be written as A R power 3 by 2 whole power 4. Yes or no? A power 4 R power 3 by 2 into 4, which is R power 6, and this is equal to 1296. 1296 is what? That is 36 square. Yes, means 6 power 4. That is 6 power 4. Got it? Yeah, 6 power 4. Okay. Next one is, from here you can say A R power 3 by 2 can take two values, either 6 or minus 6. Yes, either 6 or minus 6. But minus 6 is not possible. Why? Because A and R both are what? Both are positive. So it means A R power 3 by 2 is what? That is positive 6. Yes, plus 6. So from here we can find the value of A. So we can say A is equal to what? 6 by R power 3 by 2, or you can say 6 into R power minus 3 by 2. Is it clear? That is what? That is the value of A in terms of R. Yes, why we are finding the value in terms of R? Because we have to find the sum of all the common ratios. Yes, sum of common ratios of all the GPs. Yes, so that's why we are finding A in terms of R. Now sir, just put that value. Now just put that value in this sum. Yes, A plus AR cube plus AR cube. Okay, so when we put it, we'll get what? We'll get A. Now we have what? We have A plus AR square plus AR cube is equal to 126. So you can say A is equal to what? 6 into R power minus 3 by 2 plus A into R, that is 6 into R power minus 3 by 2 into R, that is R power minus 1 by 2 plus A, that is 6 R power minus 3 by 2 into R square, that is R power 1 by 2 plus 6 into R power minus 3 by 2 plus 3, that is what? Plus 3 by 2, and this is 126. Got it? So from here, sir, clearly we can say just divide by 6 on both sides. So you have R power minus 3 by 2 plus R power minus 1 by 2 plus R power 1 by 2 plus R power 3 by 2 is equal to what? That is 21. Okay, that value is what? That value is 21. Okay. Now sir, now put that value as something. Okay. Now, or let R power minus 1 by 2 plus R power 1 by 2 is equal to some M. If this is some M, so take cube on both sides. Yes, taking cube on both sides. So when you take cube on both sides, what we have? Sir, we have a cube plus b cube plus 3 a into b into a plus b. Yes or no? And this is equal to m cube. Got it? So you can say, sir, this is r power minus 3 by 2 plus r power 3 by 2 plus this is 3 r power minus 1 by 2 into r power 1 by 2, which is 1, into r power minus 1 by 2 plus r power 1 by 2, that is m, is equal to m cube. Got it? So that's the thing. From here we can say, from here if you write it, so you can say r power 3 by 2 plus r power minus 3 by 2 is equal to what? M cube. When you shift on that side, you will get minus 3m. So m cube minus 3m. Yes or no? Or we can say m cube minus 3m. Yes? M cube minus 3m. M cube minus 3m. Okay, that's the thing. Okay. So now, sir, just put these two values in this equation. Yes, r power minus 3 by 2 plus r power 3 by 2, that is m cube minus 3m, and this is r power minus 1 by 2 plus r power 1 by 2, which is m. Yes, so when we put here, so we'll get what? Now we'll get what? M cube minus 3m plus what? Plus m is equal to 21. So from here you can say m cube minus 3m plus m is, that is 2m. Yes or no? M cube minus 2m minus 21 is equal to 0. Is it clear? M cube minus 2m minus 21 is 0. Okay. Next thing. How can we find the value of m now? Okay, sir. Sir, m cube minus 2m minus 21 is 0. So that's a cubic equation. Okay. And if you observe, when you put m is equal to 3, so that will be 27 minus 6 minus 21. That's 27 minus 27, which is 0. So it means by hit and trial method, you can say, by hit and trial method, okay, by hit and trial method, one root of this equation is, m is equal to 3. Yes. So when you put 3, so it means that is 27 minus 27, which is 0. So m minus 3 is the factor. Okay. So now write it. So that is m cube minus 2m minus 21. When you divide by m minus 3, so we have what? We have m square. Okay. That is m cube minus 3m square. Okay. When you simplify, you will get 3m square minus 2m minus 21 plus 3m. That is 3m square minus 9m. Again, when you simplify it, 7m minus 21 plus 7, that is 7m minus 21, and that is 0. Yes. So, sir, we can write this equation m cube minus 2m minus 21. Okay, we can write m cube minus 2m minus 21 is equal to 0 as m minus 3 into m square plus 3m plus 7 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Got it? So, sir, it means what? It means either m minus 3 is 0 or, sir, m square plus 3m plus 7 is 0. Got it? Now, sir, m square plus 3m plus 7, that is what? That is a quadratic equation. Yes, quadratic equation. And if you observe, for this, leading coefficient is what? Leading coefficient is 1 and discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac, that is 9 minus 28, which is negative. So a positive, d negative. A positive, d negative. So if whenever d is negative, so there is no real root. But, sir, m must be real. Why? Because r is greater than 0. So this is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. So that's a real number. So therefore it means we do not have any value. We do not have any value for m for this particular equation. Is it clear? So my final value of m is what? It means m must be 3. Okay, so m is now 3. Okay, m is 3. Now sir, m is 3 and we know, now sir, m is 3 and we know r power minus half plus r power half is equal to 3. Yes, r power minus half plus r power half is what? That's 3. Got it? Now sir, you can say this is 1 by root r when you write it, plus that is root r is equal to 3. Now just multiply, because r is positive, so root r is positive. Yes, so it means when you multiply root r on both sides, so you'll get 1 plus r is equal to 3 root r. So from here you can say that is r minus 3 root r, or you can say r plus 1 square. When you take the square on both sides, you will get what? Square on both sides. Let's write it. Square on both sides. Okay, so you will get what? R square plus 2r plus 1 is equal to 9r. So it means what? It means r square minus 7r plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. If you observe and find the discriminant, that is what? That is b square minus 4ac, which is what? 49 minus 4, which is greater than 0. It means we have two real values for my r, for my common ratios. It means we have two geometric progressions. Yes, and for these two geometric progression, roots of these equations are the common ratios. Let's say root of this equation is r1 and r2. Yes, roots of this equation are r1 and r2. So sir, we have to find the sum of common ratios of all the such GPs. So what is the sum? Hence sum is what? Hence sum is r1, hence r1 plus r2 is equal to what? We know the sum of quadratic equation. If root of the quadratic equation, let's say if we have ax square plus bx plus c is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and having roots a and b, alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. Yes, so r1 plus r2 is minus time b is coefficient of r here, that is minus 7 by a is 1 here, so final answer is 7. Yes, so that's your answer. Sum of common ratios for all the GP is 7, sir. Minus 7 into minus 7 by 1, which is 7. So sir, final answer is what? Final answer is A here, 7. Got it? So that's the correct answer. Okay, so this is the question from JEE Mains 2023 on sequence and series. Okay, in next video we'll discuss the some other PYQ. Okay, previous year question of JEE Mains. Okay, till then, thank you everyone and bye bye.